How to turn off photo location on iPhone. Location helps to identify the exact position of something. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down the main Settings menu and tap on the Privacy and Security option. Privacy laws seek to manage sensitive information, while security compliance laws work to protect data. On the screen, tap the first option, Location Services. This opens a list of all the applications that can request location access. Then scroll down until you find and tap on Camera. This reveals the specific location permissions for the Camera app. Change the selected option from while using the app to Never. Now, you can view it as changed to the Never option. This setting ensures that the Camera app cannot access your location data when you are actively using it to take a photo or record a video. After this setting is changed, any new photos or videos captured with the Camera app will automatically not include the location data. Following these steps, you can easily turn off photo location on an iPhone.